Yo, what's going on, guys? I'm gonna show you today how to get Schedule 1 for free. You can get Schedule 1 on PC or Steam for completely free, saving you about 20 bucks. Not a great deal of money, guys, but it's still gonna save you a bit of cash, and this only takes a few minutes, guys. I managed to do this. My limited friends, I don't have many friends, but they all did this as well. All of them, which is about 2. So let's get into the tutorial, guys. You need to use your mobile phone, and this is gonna get you a digital game code that you can redeem. Go to www.robotcoupons.com. So type it like this, guys. Robot coupons. This is an awesome website. I found them recently, and they have game codes for pretty much anything you can think of. Go to the search bar, search for Schedule 1. And if you can actually spell, it will pop up like this, guys. And this is gonna get you a digital game code for PC or Steam. And you can see, guys, these coupons, they're limited. So when you click on ship codes, you're gonna wanna unlock your code. Now, these codes are 1 per person, so don't come on Robot Coupons if you think you're gonna get 100 copies of the game. You can only get 1. Tap unlock code. I've already got my 1 code, so I'm gonna cancel. You're gonna see a new page, and it will tell you how to unlock your game code. It takes a few minutes. You don't need a high IQ. It's really easy. And you gotta complete a couple of tasks. Once you do that, your code will be unlocked. You can redeem it in your Steam store, and it's going to download Schedule 1 for completely free. I have a 48 IQ. I did an IQ test online. I didn't pass with flying colors. I actually failed the IQ test and got a score of 48, and I still can get Schedule 1 for free. So do this, guys. Go to Robot Coupons, find the Schedule 1 page, make sure you unlock your code, and enjoy the game. Like, subscribe, whatever else you have to do on YouTube.